Hey everybody, it's Claude with Phil Moraro. So basically what we're doing today is we're going to do the pirate ship flyby, and we have the Cessna 2-seater, and Ewing has been generous enough to shoot us with his D800, and we're also mounting 2 GoPros, forward-facing and down-facing, underneath and on the wing of the plane. It's going to be awesome. Alright, so this is our fuselage mounted GoPro, shooting the same thing, 1080p, 1920 by 1080, 2398. Mounted rear, should get us a nice clean flyby of the triple-masted frigate pirate ship, and just